Okay, more magic. They're predicting a big blizzard coming. Look at this woodpecker. What a beauty. It's hard to see it on the camera. What a beauty out there. Red-headed woodpecker, mourning dove. I just saw a blue jay. The robins are activated, the starlings. Yesterday, I saw so many birds. They're getting, oh, there's another red-headed. Oh, this is just so magical. They're all getting ready. Here's the blue jay before the storm. Oh, this is so incredible. There's our woodpecker. And that is finding your own beat, your own drum. And that's what I'm doing. And there were geese overhead. I saw a flock of hundreds of birds yesterday. And this is just such a beautiful scene of the birds. Here's my woodpecker. Where is he? Every type of bird here. Oh, here's the woodpecker moving up. This is so magical. So beautiful. And this is a portal. Clearly, this area here has always been a portal to this field. They've taken down a lot of trees, but you can't get rid of the magic that the land holds. And it's always here, being reborn, transforming. Oh, the red. And I just did a video wearing like a red dress that I bought for $1 in frickin' Wyoming. We were stuck at a lodge. Oh, you can hear the woodpecker. I'm just enthralled with this scene. I'll take the snow. The magic of a late winter snow, and anything can happen. Oh, I'm in love with that woodpecker, truly.